Hello everyone. Today's date is 9th of October 2021. So our today's video topic is wrapper class in Java. So today we will discuss wrapper class in detail. So let's start our video. What is meant by wrapper class? How the in a wrapper class, what is the procedure? Each and every details of that wrapper class we will see with some examples also. So in Java, all the classes only use objects. So we need to convert all our primitive data into object. So it is possible with the help of only wrapper class. So in wrapper class, how we can convert this data and access, that is the we will see. So there is a collection of object, there is a object and primitive data. So we will firstly see what is meant by collection. Collection is a storage of multiple objects, and with the help of that collection we can use that objects. So in collection only objects reference are stored, not directly objects are stored, only reference of that objects are stored. So that is the collection of object. Then we will see what is primitive data. There are multiple types of primitive data: int, short, long, float, double, boolean are the primitive types of data. So there is a certain value in that primitive data. If you want to access that value, or if you want to use that value, we need to convert that value into objects. So in objects, if we want to use that value, if there is primitive data, int I is equal to 2, then in object we will access it by I is equal to 2, and that value we have to store in collection. So in collection the object's reference is stored, and again same procedure is followed for the reading of that data. Again in after the collection, it is again stored to data object type data, and again it converts into primitive type of data. So actually this procedure is known as wrapper classes, because if you see primitive data, objects and collection, that all can be possible with the help of all this procedure can be possible with the help of wrapper class, or only possible with the help of wrapper class. So if we see with the help of one short example, we in a wrapper class, if we use public static void main string args, then if we use some primitive data, that is int a is equal to certain value, short b is equal to certain value, then boolean c is equal to false. So if you use like that, then if we want to print that data, we will sys out that value of that a, value of the boolean, value of the char, value of int, value of short. We will print that, and again if we want to convert that primitive data into object type, so again we will use we will replace int to integer. Integer is equal to new int a, then in boolean is equal to boolean b. If you see boolean b2 is equal to new boolean, we will access that primitive data. So with the help of this procedure, we will convert our primitive data into object type, and with the help of collection of object, we will convert or access that object's data in object's data reference into collection. And for this procedure we use wrapper class. So in that there are two methods: autoboxing and unboxing. Autoboxing means in JVM we convert primitive data into in JVM automatically converts primitive data into object type of class, that is autoboxing. And unboxing means JVM automatically reverts that object type of data to the if we see object type of data to the primitive data, that is known as unboxing. So that is the main function or main use of wrapper class. Thank you.